The Chinese-built Nérobi Expressway opened a new exit in downtown Nairobi on Saturday to ease traffic flow in the capital city, where most government offices are located. The Haile Selassie exit on the 27.1-kilometer highway is expected to reduce travel time for motorists.
As a result, we are here today as a fulfillment of our promise. And I just want to congratulate the Nérobi Expressway itself, led by the Moja Express, for the good job they have done to make sure that they construct this exit within 5 months.
Constructed under a public-private partnership model, the Nérobi Expressway connects Kenya's main airport located to the south of the capital to the upmarket Westlands business district. It has reduced travel time from 2 hours to 20 minutes. According to Moha Expressway Company, the thoroughfare's operator, it has recorded a total traffic volume of 29 million so far, while its daily average traffic volume has increased from 10,000 trips to about 65,000 trips on weekdays, a 6-fold increase.